In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove your followers on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app and then tap right here to go to menu. On menu, tap Add that gear to go to Settings and Privacy, and then just scroll down until at Audience and Visibility section you will find Followers and Public Content. That's where we can configure who can follow us. As you can see, now this option set to public, so now anyone can follow me. Followers can see our posts, reels and stories in feed. And if we would like to remove non-friend users from our followers, we can just set it to friends. Once friends is selected, only friends will be able to become your followers. Also, if we would like to prohibit some particular user to be our follower, we can go to their profile, tap right here where it says friends, or maybe we are not friends with that user, not friends, but right here at 3 dots. And that's where we can easily find block. If we block a user, it doesn't matter if we are friends or not, this user won't be able to see our content unless we unblock them.